Hi, I'm Jody, the builder specialist for the Logan Homes signature community of Saltwater Palms here in Ocean Isle Beach. Located on the mainland just yards from the Intercoastal Waterway, Saltwater Palms boasts one of the most sought-after locations in the area. Nestled quietly within the city limits of Ocean Isle Beach, this one-of-a-kind coastal community features paired villa-style townhomes ranging from 1,800 to 2,300 square feet. Sitting just 2 blocks from the bridge to the island of Ocean Isle Beach and just steps to grocery, dining, shopping, and entertainment, you will find Saltwater Palms is perfectly located to enjoy all the area has to offer. The final phase of Saltwater Palms is set to open soon, giving homebuyers a limited opportunity to buy in this widely sought-after beach community. Comprised of just 12 additional home sites, this final phase will feature our most sought-after homes, boasting beautiful nature settings, quiet pond views, or both. For more information about Saltwater Palms or other signature Logan Homes communities, please visit loganhomes.com or call 910-452-7175 and speak to one of our online sales consultants today.